How to use aloe vera for different skin types. Benefits of aloe vera gel. Hydrates the skin. Prevents the accumulation of dirt. Prevents excess oil. Prevents acne. Reduces pigmentation. Reduces redness. Reduces inflammation. Prevents wrinkles. 1. Aloe vera for oily skin. How to. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of fuller's earth to it. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Add 3-4 drops of tea tree oil. Mix well. Apply on the face. Let it dry up completely. Rinse your face with plain water. Do this remedy once a day. 2. Aloe vera for dull skin. How to. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder to it. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato juice. Mix well. Apply on the face. Let it dry up completely. Rinse your face with plain water. Do this remedy once a day. How this helps. Orange peel powder contains antioxidants and vitamin C. 3. Aloe vera and lemon mask. How to. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to it. Add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. Mix well. Apply on the face. Let it dry up completely. Rinse your face with plain water. Do this remedy 3 times a week. 4. Aloe vera and honey face wash. How to. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo. Add a teaspoon of honey. Add 1 teaspoon fuller's earth. Mix well. Wet your hands and rub the face wash in the palms of your hands. Once the face wash lathers up a little, apply on your face and cleanse your skin for 2-3 minutes. Rinse off using plain water. Use this face wash 2-3 times a day. Read amazingly effective home remedies for uneven skin tone. 5. Aloe vera for aging skin and dry skin. How to. Mix half teaspoon of rosehip oil with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply this on your face before going to bed. Massage using circular motions for 10 minutes, until the gel gets completely absorbed. Blot away the excess oil using a tissue paper. Wash your skin with a mild cleanser in the morning. Do this remedy every night before sleeping. 6. Aloe vera with vitamin E. How to. Mix half teaspoon of vitamin E oil with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply on the face and massage for 5 minutes or until the gel gets absorbed. Do not wash the skin after this. Do this remedy every night before going to bed.